Meaning of decent.
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 Decent. The term decent typically refers to something that is satisfactory or acceptable in quality or level. It can also imply a sense of propriety, honesty, or fairness in behavior. For example, a decent meal would be one that is reasonably tasty and filling, while a decent person would be someone who treats others with respect and acts in a morally upright way. Overall, the word conveys a standard of adequacy or moderation, without necessarily implying exceptional excellence or outstanding achievement.